Imagine joining a company and opening a JavaScript file with 15,000 lines of code. Login, payments, analytics, and UI are all mixed together. It works, but maintaining it is a nightmare. Professional developers don't just write code that works. They organize it so teams can build and scale it. That's why modern applications are built from small, focused modules working together. Today, you'll learn how to build JavaScript the professional way. Let's create a simple shopping cart. At first, beginners usually put everything inside one file. This works, but as the application grows, unrelated features become connected. Finding and changing code becomes harder. Instead of one giant file, we separate responsibilities. Each file has one responsibility. Products handles data. Cart handles shopping logic. UI handles display. App connects everything together. Files are private by default. Export allows us to share specific code with other files. The browser needs to know we are using modules. The type equals module attribute enables import and export. Developers spend a lot of time debugging. The goal is not avoiding errors. The goal is understanding them. JavaScript is telling us exactly what happened. We exported products, but imported product. The names don't match. Real applications usually export multiple things. Named exports require matching names. Sometimes a file has one main purpose. That is when we use default export. This structure scales because every piece has a clear home. App.js becomes the coordinator. It does not create everything. It connects everything. Look at what changed. We started with one confusing file. Now we have separate systems working together. Interview question. Explain JavaScript modules. Modules allow us to organize code into independent files with their own scope. They improve maintainability, reusability, and allow modern tools to optimize applications. Today you learned why large files become difficult to maintain, how modules separate responsibilities, how export shares code, how import connects files, the difference between named and default exports, how professional projects are structured. In the next lesson, we move deeper into the browser. We will explore how HTML becomes the DOM, how JavaScript controls the page, and how browsers create the final experience users see.